And today I'm talking about some Rails console tips or tweaking you can do. And so yeah, let's go into live demo. Ready? Okay.
This is what I'm sitting for.
Okay, so now this is the info user table, for example. This is very hard to find. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it's very hard to find a specific user in one glance. So okay, let's make it awesome. So first, go to find the Gen awesome Rails console, and okay, so go installation. Firstly, add this Gen and bundle install. Then run this generator. Now go to Rails console again, and you will see the difference. User table. Yeah, and so and it also comes with some handy tools. For example, table. And you can even make it markdown format. So the good thing with this is that if you are using for example, Redmine comes with markdown syntax, you can make it a very beautiful format. Yeah. So it will be very useful when some people are request for the specific user that has this condition or something. Yeah, so very useful. Okay. And okay, let's back to slides first. So so all this you just saw right now is basically the best practice and the tweaking I've using for a while, and the best practice I came out with the recent past few years. And I really thanks Kristen for 1 month ago I released the new version, and Kristen picked me, hey, you want to make it a talk? I said okay. Then at the point of time, there is no such generator, so it's not really easy to configure the advanced feature. So thanks. Yeah, and so yeah, so this is a good way to improve, try out new things, give a talk. Yeah, and yeah, so and this one. So this is for sometimes you want to test out some behavior in your Rails console, and you want to use your own account and to maybe there's dependency or association with something, and you want to type all your email address is wasting time. So I made a shortcut. Use dev.me. You can find your own user, and this is all the code snip you need. Put in this short code snip in your .prc in home directory. Then all the project in your machine can access dev.me. Yeah, and you can even edit other methods that you frequently use. And debugging. So this, okay, for example, let's say we'll find a game, division. So, okay, you see, I'm so old, but why can I even play this game? So there must be some logic problem in the implementation. So right now, I'm going to this method and insert a breaking point by adding apply. Now we reload the Rails console and run it again. Then the cursor will stop at the right after the breakpoint. Now you can evaluate a statement. See, okay, my edge is bigger than the minimum requirement for this game, but why it still tell me that I'm not allowed to play? Okay, so next, go to next line and see allow. Why? So there must be something wrong inside this method. So we can step in. Okay, oh, that's why. So this is a simple example of how to use bybug to help you find out issue easier. And okay, and sometimes you might need to find who calls this method, because you insert a breakpoint in the method, but you don't know exactly who called this method. You want to find it out, you can use caller, and you can see the call stack. So these are some tips that you can use when you debugging with bybug, and the bybug is also come with in the Awesome Rails console gem. And basically, I think those comments are all you need to know at first to start using debugger effectively. So that should be quite useful already. Yeah, and in case you don't know WTF, how you did. So, for example, when you just saw an exception raised, for example, I raised an exception here, and say WTF. And one more thing, more question marks give you more code stack. Yeah. So this is an interesting tool to use. Yes. So this. Yeah, I think that one comes in from bybug. Yeah. And
another useful bit for your prior RC is something that takes your caller stack and filters out all the gems so that you can see just your code going in along the, like when you did the call, it had all those gem Ruby 230 gem blah blah. Get rid of those, and you can see your own WTFs a lot more clearly.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So back to here first. So conclusion. Install Awesome Rails console today and make it awesome. Yeah. So it's just 3 lines, easy to install. And also, so yeah, we always looking for talented people to join us, and make it very sure that our Rails teams, we have 2 Rails teams. So our team is like there are challenging issues to resolve, but we are also very fun. So we usually hold a Rails Tuesday exclusive for our team members also in this place in the theater. Yeah, so we trying out new things. Yeah, So it's like nice place to work. And lastly, it would be appreciated if you would let me know how do you think about this talk. So tweet me a message with RubySG hashtag or tag me. Any questions?
Yay.
Okay, thank you.